Hey everybody. Hey everybody. Ken trying to show me her trunk because I bagged up into a damn pole. So we are at the mall trying to find something to wear for date night tonight. And baby, let me tell y'all, we stopped to get us a massage. And I can't even feel my darn body when I tell you. I can't.
My back feels so good.
So good. Waiting in line to get into the dance floor. Okay, so I saw on YouTube where you could get your lash extensions off with coconut oil. So as you can see, honey, my lashes is hanging on for dear life. Like, it is fighting more to survive on my eyes than I have ever put into any type of relationship to survive, honey. But yeah, I saw it on YouTube and I was like, let me give it a try, because they all pretty much kind of fell off, except like a few, as you can see, and it started to irritate me so bad. Like, they were turning every which ways, and honey, I don't got time for that. So this is a date night. If you don't know, I go on date nights once a week. So I wasn't gonna go out nowhere looking like that. So here I am, just using the coconut oil to gently massage the lashes. And let me just say this, whenever you're doing this process, it's not as easy as just slapping some coconut oil on your lashes and then they immediately fall off. You have to really work it. So it can take up to 10-15 minutes or so of that coconut oil and manipulating the lashes to get them off, because you don't want to just pull your lashes just straight out. So as you can see, I'm trying my best to take my time with each individual lash. Some are coming off easily, as you can see, and other ones are being a little bit more stubborn. So I'm doing one eye at a time, of course, because you need to see what you're doing, sis. So yeah, just slowly work that in. Make sure your eye is closed. You don't want to get any type of coconut oil in your eye. I'm sure you guys know that, but yeah, it seems to actually work. Now, this video is not long at all because I don't like to really draw videos out when it's simple. Like, it's an easy, simple process of I'm trying to get these little bitty lashes, the rest of these lashes off, girl, so I can get ready to put my new lash strips on for date night. So I had those extensions on maybe for about 2.5 months or so, and I just got too busy with my business and stuff like that to even go back to get them refilled. But I do love them. They are beneficial, especially if you're trying to grow your lashes out, or if you want something stable to where you don't have to go so much. So yeah, y'all let me know how y'all experience has been with lashes and removing lashes. Let me know if you've tried the coconut method to get those removed. If not, try it, sis. It's definitely going to work out for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're interested in seeing my date night vlogs, or get ready with me weekly with my date nights and what I wear, I do post them on Instagram, so you can follow me at @the_real_ChadneyB. I also post them on Facebook, but if you would like for me to do an actual whole video on what I wear each date night, then just comment down below and let me know. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on that notification bell so you are aware of all the new and upcoming videos that I have in store for you guys. Please don't miss out. And I love you, I love you, I love you guys. Till next time, bye.